enforcement of the traffic laws, we are not going to compromise anymore. A lot of these tourists who have come are misusing our laws. They think it is free for all. Maximum tourists here are by foreigners. We are finding them without helmets. So we are taking action against them by booking them under the various provisions of the Motor Vehicle Act. And the tourist taxis or any other private vehicles without seat belts are also being challaned. We are going to continue this drive at different locations all over Pedne, also at Mopa traffic cell, with the cooperation of Pedne police staff, Device P Pedne, and PI of Mopa police station and Mopa traffic. So there will be a combined effort from all the agencies to ensure that violators are going to be prosecuted. We will go head on and we will not tolerate any more violations, due to which fatalities are increasing as they are taking the laws very lightly. Today there was an unfortunate death of a Russian national. It was a self-accident. He was not wearing a helmet. So we have been enforcing, we are taking actions against them, and we have put so far 29,000 cases this year and still continuing. And also action is being taken under the young boys who are not having license, and also driving vehicles without proper documents.